The eufy Floodlight Camera E30 T8425121-2 is an advanced outdoor security solution designed for users who want to combine powerful lighting with reliable surveillance in a single device. Instead of installing a separate floodlight and security camera, this product brings both functions together, creating a cleaner and more convenient setup for monitoring outdoor areas. It is designed for locations such as front doors, driveways, garages, gardens, patios, and other spaces where additional security visibility is important. With its combination of high-resolution video recording, motion monitoring, smart detection features, built-in lighting, and two-way communication, the camera aims to provide homeowners with greater awareness and control over their surroundings. One of the main strengths of the eufy Floodlight Camera E30 is its overall feature balance. The built-in floodlight is especially useful because it not only improves nighttime visibility but can also act as a security deterrent by making outdoor areas more visible. Many outdoor security cameras struggle with low light performance, but having an integrated lighting system can help produce clearer recordings and make it easier to identify activity after dark. The camera's ability to cover a wider area compared with many fixed cameras is another advantage, as users can monitor larger spaces without needing multiple cameras installed around the property. This makes it a practical choice for people who want broad coverage while keeping their security setup simple. The camera's smart monitoring features are another area where it stands out. Motion detection helps alert users when activity is detected, allowing them to check what is happening in real time. The two-way audio system adds another level of convenience, allowing users to communicate with visitors, delivery personnel, or anyone near the camera without needing to be physically present. This feature can be useful for everyday situations, such as confirming deliveries or responding to unexpected visitors. The ability to monitor the camera remotely through a connected device also provides added peace of mind for users who want to keep an eye on their property while away from home. Another positive aspect of the eufy Floodlight Camera E30 is its focus on storage flexibility. Some security cameras rely heavily on cloud subscriptions, which can create ongoing costs for users. Having options for local storage can be appealing because it gives homeowners more control over their recorded footage. Users who prefer managing their own recordings may appreciate this approach, especially if they want a security system that does not require continuous monthly payments. The product also fits well into a smart home environment, making it a suitable option for people who already use connected devices and want to expand their home security system.